They're both popular choices for email marketing, but which platform is truly worth it? MailerLite or Kit? On the left, we have MailerLite, known for its simplicity and powerful automation. And on the right, Kit, the upstart focused on smart integrations and ease of use. Let's forget the marketing hype and dig into what actually makes them different. We'll give points for each major category, and at the end, you'll see exactly which one takes the crown. You might be surprised by the winner. Before we start, here's a quick mind map of all the categories we're comparing: price, automation, and ease of use, design and templates, analytics, integrations, growth and monetization, deliverability, and finally, support and onboarding. Honestly, we're covering just about everything you'd want to know. All right, first up, price. MailerLite comes out swinging with a super generous free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, and their paid plans are really affordable. They start at around $10 a month. Most of the core features aren't locked away on the higher tiers either, which feels refreshing. Yeah, you'll miss out on a few advanced goodies unless you upgrade, but for small businesses or anyone starting out, the value is honestly hard to beat. Now, Kit cranks things up with a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers. Sounds awesome, right? And it's a killer option if you've already got an audience. But here's the catch. When you hit the paid plans, they're roughly twice what MailerLite charges. It's not outrageous, but if you're budget conscious, it definitely adds up. So for the price category, the edge goes to MailerLite. Moving on to automation and ease of use. MailerLite keeps things straightforward with a visual automation builder. It's perfect for mapping out simple workflows, and the fact that it's available even to free users is pretty sweet. That said, it can feel a little clunky for more advanced stuff. Sometimes you might feel like the interface is slowing you down if you're after quick edits. Now, Kit? Oh, this is slick. Think if this then that rules in a single, clean window. Plus, you get advanced segmentation, tagging, and a whole library of templates made for creators. It's super powerful, maybe a tiny bit intimidating at first if you're new to this level of automation, but once you get the hang of it, it's hard to go back. For this one, I gotta give it to Kit. Let's talk design and templates. MailerLite absolutely nails this with an easy drag-and-drop editor and over 150 modern templates to pick from. Customizing your emails is, dare I say, actually fun? You're not boxed into boring layouts either. Now, one thing. They don't specifically cater to creator needs as much as Kit does, but honestly, the flexibility is there. Kit tries something different with reusable content blocks, which is cool if you're pumping out lots of similar emails. But the editor doesn't feel quite as customizable, and those widgets are, well, a little rigid compared to MailerLite. So if visual design really matters to you, MailerLite is the clear winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know MailerLite was originally built in Lithuania, while Kit, which started as ConvertKit, was created by a podcaster just for bloggers? It's wild how these tools now power so many businesses around the world. Next, analytics and reporting. MailerLite puts analytics front and center. You'll see embedded insights as you go, and the reports are super easy to digest. For most users, that's more than enough. But if you crave deeper intel, especially on how to actually make money or grow an audience, you might come up a little short. Kit, on the other hand, really shines for power users. There's a whole insights dashboard, awesome e-commerce style analytics, and just way more detail on audience growth and monetization. The downside? That level of detail is gated for folks on higher tier plans, so you do need to pay up. Still, Kit takes this one for analytics. All right. Integrations. MailerLite boasts over 150 direct integrations, and if that's not enough, you can loop in thousands more through Zapier. The catch? Kit does a little better with creator-focused apps. Kit has slightly fewer integrations overall, but over 25 are made specifically for creators and e-commerce stores. It's really a toss-up depending on what apps you rely on, so I'm actually calling this one a tie. For growth and monetization, here's where things get really interesting. MailerLite sticks to basics with sign-up forms and landing pages. They're totally fine. But if you want to sell products or land sponsors, you'll have to look elsewhere. No built-in monetization tools here, and their newsletter growth stuff is a little bare bones. But with Kit, you get tools creators love. A recommendation engine, the ability to sell digital products directly, and features designed for sponsorships or e-commerce. Like, if you're trying to turn your newsletter into a business, Kit is the obvious choice. Now for deliverability. MailerLite gets you solid results, good authentication, bounce handling, and helpful guides to keep your emails landing where they should. The analytics here aren't super advanced, but for most folks, that's not a deal breaker. Kit is reliable too, with strong sender reputation support and all the key authentication built in. Could they both use fancier dashboards and extras like built-in list cleaning? For sure. But honestly, both platforms get the job done here, so I'd call this one a tie. Last up is support and onboarding. MailerLite is super beginner-friendly. The onboarding is smooth, and there are endless help docs to guide you through. If you're easily overwhelmed, MailerLite basically holds your hand through every step. Kit is also great, especially if you're a creator trying to level up and their community is really active. The only knock? If you're totally new to advanced automations, the learning curve might be a little steeper. So between these two, MailerLite has the edge when it comes to getting started with confidence. So when you look into the big picture, price, dashboards, design, integrations, everything, MailerLite is like the all-star for affordability and simple setup, while Kit pulls ahead when it comes to creator-focused power and automations. That's how these two stack up head-to-head. Honestly, here's my take. MailerLite is your go-to. If you're a small business, just want something that works out of the box and don't want to break the bank. If you're a creator and you're ready to scale, want to monetize your list, and dig into fancy analytics, Kit is built just for you. So your best pick really comes down to where you are in your journey and who you want to become. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.